Hello, my lovely people. You are welcome back to my channel. I greet you according to your time and according to the time you are seeing this video. How are you doing? I hope you are good, oh my correct people. Oh, Ibira people don't carry come their own. Oh, they don't carry. Olori Mariam's people, they don't carry come for Siki 21. As they don't dey ask Ooni of Ife why their daughter was asked to leave the palace. You see, one thing about these people is that when things will start to go well, they will, let's say, when things are not going well for others, they will not care. But when it starts to go well with their daughter, hey, you see them, you'll be the best in-law, you'll be the best husband, you'll be the every best. But you see, because of their daughter is now asked to leave the palace, the king is not doing well again. As we don dey hear say Ibira people they don storm the palace of Ile-Ife to ask Ooni of Ife why Mariam will leave the palace. That what did Mariam do that make them to ask her to leave the palace? That when they gave Mariam to Ooni of Ife, they thought that the king can be able to take care of their daughter. That is why they gave him Mariam. That now that it's never done that a man will be in his house and will ask the wife to go and live elsewhere. That it's never done. That what did Mariam did that made the king to send her out of the palace? Now that kind of a thing that they should explain. Did Mariam do anything like adultery or something like that? What did she do? That they need explanation so that they will understand why the king and the elders of Ile-Ife will have meeting and tell their daughter to pack and leave the palace, so that they will make arrangements for another woman. And who is that woman that they are making arrangement for? That they will make their daughter to leave the palace. Hey, my people, now so we take care of that these people are asking Ooni of Ife, who is that woman that they're making arrangement for that will make their own daughter to leave? That when they give Ooni of Ife Mariam, they have in mind that the king can take care of that the king can take care of Queen Naomi, Mariam. But what is happening right now? Why would they not be able to take care of Mariam and sending her out of the palace? And even though she can't talk, say she's pregnant, they still have to send her out of the palace. Now, which kind of thing be that one? That the king should explain, that I don't know. My correct people, they said that the king was like looking at them. Okay, you want to know the woman that they are making provision for her return, Abi? Ask your daughter. Who is the woman that she came in and used Kayamata and Juju to send out of the palace? Ask her. She's in the best position to answer the question. As for leaving, she don't leave completely. In short, she don't leave, forget say she leave. This one that she's bragging saying that over her body would Queen Naomi return back to the palace. That if Queen Naomi return back, they will know that she is from Ibira. She can only go and get more Kayamata, nothing else. She can only go and get another Kayamata. And that her Kayamata, it will just work for some time, but it will not continue to work every day. Because Kayamata, they expire. So, my correct people, now, what in this people mean, self? These Ibira people, what did they mean? When things will start going well for their daughter, they will forget that there's one woman that is the rightful owner of that palace, that she's not there. I don't know whether the madam used to talk to them about Queen Naomi and how they teamed up to frustrate Queen Naomi out of the palace. How they teamed up to frustrate that lady out of the palace. Have she ever talked to them about Queen Naomi? Now she wants only her own. I think she thought that over her body. And the king said that so be it. Maybe anyway, and I'm not praying for her to buy, but you see, if she really wants to buy so that Queen will come back to the palace, now she that one concern. I know that this Mariam's sister and Amaka Anako abi wetin don call her before, tell her, warn her, told her then that she should be careful. She should stop following Ronke. That she should stop following Ronke. She should know the kind of people that she follow. That her friendship with Ronke is a very bad influence. And what's part of it is that it's not just that it is bad influence, but Ronke is from Ile-Ife, while she is from Ibira. Although her people were asking Ooni of Ife, is it because of their daughter is not from Ile-Ife? Is that why they are treating her the way they are treating her? That they don't like the way they are treating her. They don't like the way they are treating Mariam. That is it because of she's not from Ile-Ife? Who is talking about Ile-Ife? Ronke that is even from Ile-Ife is sent out of the palace. Yes, she has been asked to leave the palace. Even Ashley, all of them, they have been asked to leave the palace. Is it Auntie B that will not leave? All of them are leaving. So this one that her people is asking, what have she done? What she did was that she left her husband and children and come to marry another woman's husband and children. That is what she did. Do they still want to hear any other thing? So my correct people, they don't come, they ask Ooni of Ife jump and wire question. I know that the king can answer that question. I don't need to ask what he answered, but I know that he can answer the question very well. So for Auntie Igbi, she better start planning. She better carry the remaining of her goods, her properties, to leave the palace. Because if not, she go hear am. She must hear am. Anyway, my correct people, that is what we heard though. Good thing. All of them are planning to leave. Customary court will soon come and sign and force them out of the palace and out of the marriage. Since Auntie B doesn't want to respect herself and leave, sometimes, something that will push her to respect herself is coming. Anyway, my people, don't forget that they are all alleged information. Because me, I'm not there at the palace of Ile-Ife. But as I know that as they come, that Ooni of Ife will answer them correctly. He will give them good answer to their question, because they don't carry jam and wire question come. So after the question, Auntie B will now mark and tell us what Ooni of Ife get for that kind of question. Whether he get pass mark, abi he don't fail. Thank you, and don't forget that they are all alleged information. Love you guys. Bye.